Make him jump. Make him jump like you used to make him jump. Yeah. He's almost 11 months old. And you're making your Cheetos dance. Whoa. What happened with that one? That's funny. He could do this all day. Right or left-handed. Why don't you just eat it?